Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace leak detection pump dodge ram easy method. First, safely disconnect the battery, relieve fuel pressure, and remove the underbody cover to access the pump near the charcoal canister. Unplug connectors, release mounting bolts, swap the pump and gaskets, then reassemble in reverse order. Test for leaks by running a short onboard diagnostic and thoroughly confirm proper pressure before lowering the vehicle. Gather the right tools and parts before starting to avoid delays and unsafe improvisation. A metric socket set, torque wrench, and fuel pressure gauge make the job smoother. Use dielectric grease on electrical connectors and new gaskets to ensure a proper seal. Keep jack stands positioned safely and work on a level surface. Having everything within reach speeds the swap and helps prevent contamination of fuel system components while you work. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful guides. On another note, quick recommendation: Darn Tough socks with a lifetime warranty are my go-to for long garage days and cold test sessions. They stay comfortable and last through many projects, which is perfect when you are crawling under a truck. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Begin by relieving fuel pressure and disconnecting the battery to prevent sparks or errors. Safely lift and support the truck, remove the underbody cover, and expose the pump and wiring harness. Unplug electrical connectors, remove mounting fasteners, and carefully extract the old pump and gasket. Install the new pump with a fresh gasket, tighten bolts to spec, reconnect wiring with dielectric grease, then perform a diagnostic and leak check before lowering the vehicle.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.